These tools, which we have all seen, these are wire strippers, wire crimpers, bolt cutters, insulated crimpers, and wire cutters. So, as we all know, any tool that does more than one job does each individual job poorly. And this is no exception. I'm going to show you what this thing does when you try to crimp something. All right, so let's take this. This is 16 gauge wire. And we're going to pull a little bit off. We're going to give it a little bit of a twist. We're going to get our equally cheap terminal kit. So we have something to crimp here. So I'm going to crimp a red ring connector, and it's insulated and it's red. So I'm going to use the red insulated dot there. And I got to use a ridiculous amount of force, it feels like, in order to test it out. And I can pull it right back off. So that's trash. What's the solution to the problem? The solution to the problem is to get you a better set of crimpers. And I have this set here that I got on Amazon. There is a link in the description down below. And in my mind, what makes crimpers good isn't the fact that they have some fancy brand name on it, because this is, I guess this is Electrician's Tools brand. Or is this Crimping Press brand? But it says Electrician's Tools, Electrician's Tools, Electrician's Tools. And yes, it's made in China like everything is today. What I think makes a crimping tool good is that it's got some heft to it, and this does, because it is a sort of a laminated construction. You can replace the jaws so that you can crimp multiple different varieties of things. And the most important part in my mind is this ratcheting feature, which allows me to start crimping down, take a break, get back to work. So if your hands are, old, like mine are getting there, you can take care of that. Or if you don't have the strength, you can always reorient yourself or get a good two-handed grip on it or something along those lines. So let's take the exact same terminal end, ring terminal, red, and the exact same wire, and put it through the paces with this device instead. So I've got it so that the copper wire comes to the end of the part where it crimps. This has got a red spot, so I'm going to put the device to be crimped into the red area. And now I've got it just down to the point where it's touching. I'm going to double check my work and squeeze it home. All right, so that's on there. What I'm doing is I'm moving the jacket back, the insulation back. And what you would really want to do, in my mind, I'm a crimp and solder guy. Are you a crimp and solder guy? Are you a crimp and solder person? I would always solder this afterwards, just to make sure that that connection wasn't going anywhere. But it's already mechanically strong and electrically strong, because this crimper does a much better job than this crimper does. So this is going in the trash. Problem solved. There is a link in the description down below where you can get this crimper. Highly recommended. It does the thing. It does exactly what I expected to. It works very well. Took a lot less force to get that crimp done. That's all I wanted to share with you folks is, right tool for the job. Thanks for being awesome. Check out this video. I'm going to go over there and wait for you.